welcome to the Suzuki GS750 calf racer build. Right, so the tank is still curing up in the house, still drying. I want to give it its full time, its full curing time, as it's obviously stated on the instructions before I start spraying it or anything like that. Yeah, rather stick to that before I bugger it up. So yeah, in the meantime, I'm going to make a start on the rear registration and tail light bracket. Now, this isn't going to be particularly tying in with the bike design as such, because it's a bit of an afterthought, really. So it's just going to be more function than design. So yeah, it's going to be a really basic bracket, just to hold the plate and the light. So if you want to know how I've done that, stick around and see what you think. Right, that didn't work. Right, okay, it's not what, that's not how I wanted it to go to plan. I was hoping for a tighter bend, should we say, but I might run with it, see how it goes. Ta-da! Right, so I've got temporary battery hooked up, just to check the rear light, and I'm also going to check some of the electrics as well. For those of you interested in what battery I'm going to go with for the bike, now these aren't the batteries, yeah, they're 2 cardboard boxes, but basically they're giving me a bit of a placeholder idea as to what I can use and fit in. So I'm struggling with this one, because it's quite tall. However, this one fits in quite nicely into the seated area. So yeah, that'll be in next coming week. I don't have a registration plate for the bike yet, so I had to improvise. So, so yeah. Right, so that's the light fitted on the back of the bike with a bracket for the number plate as well. There was a bit of an issue, or there's still an issue, with the kind of fluctuation between the tail light and the brake light. So I'm going to have to look into that a bit more. I don't think the bulb's too great. So yeah, I don't think the elements are working together. I don't know. I'll have to have a look into that. So the wiring is just temporarily in place as well. So I'll probably get back round to that when I'm putting the battery in place. So I'll need to tidy up everything in the tray. So we'll do that then. But I'd like to thank new subscribers. Thanks guys for continuing to watch the series. There's still a lot more to go. And I will see you in the next episode.